redlineautosports.com. This is our 1966 Mustang Coupe, 289 V8 factory C code. This car is a beautiful black cherry metallic with a small pearl in it. It's got torque thrust, 2 American racing wheels. It's got factory deluxe interior that's a pearl bench seat, front and back ponies, ice cold factory AC that is Ford installed from the factory, or it's an automatic C4. Runs and drives excellent. It's beautiful inside and out. Let me show it to you. Look at that shine. It is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous car. There's the VIN number. It's got the Cobra, powered by Ford, valve covers, chrome air breather, and the AC. There is no power steering. There is no power disc brakes. It is aluminum radiator. It does have a red top battery. Absolutely solid, absolutely beautiful inside and out. The car was restored, father-son project. Then the son tragically passed away. They replaced the quarters, full quarters, clear up to the middle of the sail panel, full floors, done by a professional welder. This car is absolutely gorgeous top to bottom and was done strictly by the father-son project. This car has something I've never seen before, but it has bright molding around the wheel wells. It's not a factory option, but they chose to seek it out and put it on there, and it really adds something, a real nice pop to the car. The dual exhaust is through the rear panel. Absolutely gorgeous. New gas tank when they built it. New bumpers, new interior, new paint, new wheels and tires. Rebuilt the motor, transmission, went through the rear end. Absolutely gorgeous from top to bottom. And look at this interior. Deluxe pony in pearl white, which is so unusual, and it's a bench seat with a fold down armrest, which is pretty wild. You see those ponies running front and back. Absolutely stunning interior. Those are the original door panels. The original trim tag is still in place. This is an amazing car, inside and out, all the way around. Check out this car and many others on our website at redlineautosports.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.